Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So that's you can know how to fix your problem on Facebook Lite. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.